Minista wa ruhonge rwa mbiraru bururiini niwe Aden Duale ni agathiririire Cukuru wa Garissa UniVersity ni gucokereria weru na ni gwa kahinda kuma riria makorirwo magitharikirwo ni tharikiro iria yakorirwo ikiuraga arutwo 128 ni macokeirie ngatho ni gukorwo macokereirie na magakorwo makihimbiria thayo thiini wa thukuru uyu.
And administrative staff who address our challenges in a timely manner.
That having a university in our county is a major achievement. A major achievement. Kindly the people of Garissa, the people of Northeastern Province, protect by all standards, protect Garissa University. Because it is something that if you lose it, getting it again, you might never have it. So, Mweru, now that you are a University Minister, I want to thank you. And also thank the government, the regional commissioners here, because Kenyans, we have the assurance, always safe, always secure, and Garissa University will never be attacked again. Garissa is safe and it will never be attacked again. We want the students of Kenya, not only from northern Kenya, but from
today is not only the best university in the country, but has one of the best faculties, the Institute of Peace and Security Studies. And I want to send today another message to Al-Shabaab, now not as a member of parliament, not as a leader of majority, but as a defense minister of the Republic of Kenya. And tell Al-Shabaab, I am talking to you from Garissa University. During our graduation ceremony, I said it in Masalani, and I'll repeat it here. We are coming for you, Al-Shabaab. We are coming for you. We will use our forces, land forces. We will use our navy. We will use our air force. We will use our special forces to hunt you down, both in Kenya and inside Somalia.